Hi! Welcome back to our classroom. My name is Miss Cora. In today's lesson, we are going to continue learning about WH questions. We know WH questions are questions that usually start with words that begin with the letters WH. We can ask WH questions to request certain types of information. So far, we have explored the WH question words who and what. Do you have a question? Huh? When will we be learning about a new WH question word? That's a great question. And the answer is right now. Let's go. So, when do we use the question word when? We can use when obtaining information about time. Let's take a look at some example questions. When does the next bus arrive? When do you get up in the morning? When does my plane board? When is the best time to visit Italy? When will you be home? When do you need to leave? When is your birthday? When can I apply for this job? When is our dinner reservation? When did you get here? When do you go to bed? Oh. When does this semester end? When does the museum open? When did you start learning English? When do you get home from work? When does my flight leave? When is my doctor's appointment? When is the exam? When is the best time to call? Hello? When will you be on vacation? Now, let's listen to an example conversation with when in action. Hi, how may I help you? Hi, I'm flying to California today and was wondering when my flight leaves. Certainly. Do you have your boarding pass? Yes, here it is. Thank you. Let's see. Your flight will depart at 11:45. Thank you. When should I be at the gate? I would suggest arriving at your gate 30 minutes before departure. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. You're welcome. I hope you have a wonderful flight. Before we end today's lesson, I have a when question for you. Are you ready? When do you study English? As always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to learning with you next time. Happy learning. Bye.